Hello and welcome to the CADmeister Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to use the auto conversion feature in data exchange. First, let's look at auto conversion. After clicking the auto conversion command, the button is highlighted in yellow, indicating that the automatic conversion service is now running. However, if you look at the status message below, you'll notice an error displayed in red, indicating that no observation folder has been configured. Let's set it up. Go to Default Option and select the Observation Folder tab. Scroll down to the Observation Folder Settings section. First, enable the observation folder by checking the box next to it. Then, click Refer and browse to the folder you want CADmeister to monitor. After that, choose the output format for each file type. For this example, I'll select IGES for both assembly and part files. You can see that there's a variety of output formats available. However, some formats require additional licenses before they can be exported. Next, select DXF for sheet files. Finally, specify the destination folder where the converted files will be saved. From CADmeister 2025 onwards, you can configure up to 5 observation folders independently. At the top of the settings page, you can also choose whether to monitor subfolders within the selected observation folder. You can also save log files by specifying a destination folder. Both observation logs and conversion logs can be stored for future reference. The observation interval determines how often the program checks the folder for new files. This value can be configured in either seconds or minutes. Now I'll save a part file from CADmeister directly into the observation folder we just configured. Once the file is saved, Data Exchange automatically detects it and begins the conversion process. The file status changes to running while the conversion is in progress. After the conversion is complete, take a look at the output folder. You'll see that the .iges of the saved file which has been successfully generated. If you check the observation folder, you'll also notice that an OK folder has been created automatically. This folder is used to indicate that the file has been successfully processed. The auto conversion feature allows users to automatically export CAD files into different formats, making the conversion process faster and more efficient. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.